Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so I picked up a couple additional products from the Kiss Glamlite collection on one of the Glamlite TikTok shop sales. So I'm gonna use the Kiss palette again, which is this beautiful, beautiful palette. And here's the inside of that palette. There went the plastic covering. Totally forgot that was in there. But also, I also picked up the lip kit, so we're gonna use that. And then I also got these black and white makeup bases. I've never used one of these before, so I'm a little nervous. Like, what if I screw it up, it doesn't work out? We're gonna see, But I'm gonna start off doing my lips because they are just totally bare and we can't have that. So, this is the lip liner right here. Oh shoot, there we go. Tiny lips, lip liner is very hard for me. Man, I am going off the rails like crazy today. Hopefully we can fix it. It's also unbearably hot. These next couple months are going to be a struggle, you guys. Here's that lipstick. I am in the Midwest. Summers are very humid, very brutal, very dangerous. Okay. Tomorrow they are predicting, like, I think we are at like the highest threat level for severe storms tomorrow, so that's gonna be not cool. I swear we've had like more tornadoes and things like just in the Midwest this year than I think that I can ever recall, and we're not even to June yet, so it's gonna be rough. You guys, so my camera is joining in on all of the ridiculousness that is life these days. It just shut down, so I'm not really sure where I left off, but I think I was showing you these bases. I have a white and a black base. Again, I've never used these before, so I'm a little bit nervous, very nervous, because I'm like, first of all, which one do I want to go in with? Because like these shades look kind of dark, but I feel like a darker one would maybe help it look cooler. And then also, what am I gonna do with a look? Like, I don't know, I'm really feeling the blues. And I don't know, I'm kind of like in the purple, so maybe do one blue eye, one purple eye, I guess. Okay, so we're just gonna, do I do what? Oh no, what am I doing? Okay, and I'm just gonna like pack this on. All right. Okay. It's actually not as scary as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, so okay, I think we're good. That was kind of scary for a second. All right. So there we go. One kind of down. So I guess let's make this the blue eye just because. I just want to make sure I get as much of that off my brush as I can. Okay, so now that we've gotten that done, let's just go in, and I kind of want to start with, I don't know, this shade Shock Me just is really, really pretty. It's that one right there. So let's start with that. Let's start kind of building that up on the eye. And just see what happens. Okay. I like that. Also, this is going to sound really weird because I know that I had to have had this brush for a long time, but I don't remember having a brush like with this big of a tip, so that's kind of weird. All right. Yeah, I think this brush is too big. I'm not really liking this. I'm gonna go into something else. This looks like it'll be much, much, much better. So just going into that shade Shock Me once again, and just kind of building it up in the crease. All right. Looking good, looking good. Now, the base isn't really tacky anymore. Do I put a shimmer thing over it or do I not? I mean, I guess it's okay too. Also, what is going on with my hair? Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of a base just to give it a little more of a tacky feel to it. And then I'm going to take, let's start with the shade Magic Touch, which is this one right here. I'm just going to put that on the outer portion of the eye. It's very, very, very pretty. Very pretty. All right. And then for the inner portion of the eye, we're going to go into that shade Detroit Rock City, which is this shade right here. Alright. That's really, really pretty. Now for the lower lash line, I am going to go in with the shade Dress to Kill, which is that really pretty navy blue right there. There we go. And then for the lower inner corner highlight, we are going to go in with the shade, the Spaceman, which is that shade right there. All right. One done, one to go. Now for the other eye, we're gonna use that white base, just to see how much it brightens up the shades, because all these shades are pretty deep. So I'm just curious, like, is it gonna brighten them up that much? All right, so I'm gonna take the white base and put it on the eye, just kind of like I did with the black one. Don't even really remember how much I used, but I feel like that's probably close to enough. And then we're just gonna stamp it on. Oh, man, I can see the gray coming out. It's not much though. I might need to add like a little bit more. All right, we're just gonna put some more on and hope for the best. Okay. That's better. Much better. Okay. Now let me try and get this off really quick before I ruin this brush. I think I said this was gonna be a purple eye. So let's go into the shade Shout It Out Loud right here. And we're just gonna start working on the crease. I don't know how I keep grabbing these brushes that I'm not really a fan of. It's like way too thick. So I just kind of want to build this up. Be able to get it a little bit on the inner corner, not too much. Okay. Yeah, so I'm not really sure how much this is lightening the shade. I mean, I don't know if it's just necessarily supposed to lighten it. Now that I think about it, it's probably supposed to make it more vibrant, which I do think that it does. So that's good. Now, same thing. Gonna go in with a little bit of glitter glue. And just kind of tap that down just to keep a tacky base. Okay, you guys, now we're gonna go in with the shade Love Gun right here, and we're just gonna put that on the outer portion of the eye. Oh, that is purple. Oh my goodness. Very pretty. And now we're gonna go in with the shade Stole Your Love, which is the lighter purple shimmer right here. Now for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna go in with the shade Dynasty, which is the deep purple right here. I need to blend that out. It just got a little bit thicker than I was expecting, so I'm just gonna take a little brush with nothing on it and just kind of like blend it out a little bit so it's not so harsh. Maybe I'm gonna blend this out a little bit too. There we go. Okay. And then for the lower inner corner highlight, that same color, the Spaceman, because it's really the only light shade in the palette. Alright. I want to touch up the purple, what is the word I'm looking for? Crease shade a little bit. This is just kind of my bad eye where stuff doesn't build up as much, and I can definitely tell, so I just want to try and fix it just a little bit. Okay. Now I feel like I need this one to be smoked out a little bit more. There we go. It's a lot better. Okay. I think we are as good to, or as close to as good as we're gonna get. Yeah, it's fun. I like it. I'm gonna go do my mascara and I will be right back. All right, you guys, so I'm back and these are the finished looks. Very fun, very beautiful. I love it. And again, this was with the Kiss and Glamlite palette. Here's the inside of that palette. I did also use these bases, one on each eye, and let me put this back in its box before I lose it. And I also used the Kiss and Glamlite lip kit right there. So lots of fun things. You guys, if you can, do me the world's largest favor, go back and watch the video I did with the ColourPop. What in the world? Oh my gosh, what is the deal with my brain lately? Heavy Petal. The ColourPop Heavy Petal palette. Go watch that because I asked some questions. I also pin them in the description box just to kind of like find out what you guys want to see more of on my channel. So that's just really important. I feel like my channel has really been plummeting lately, which is like really stressful because I worked really hard on it. And so if I'm doing something you guys don't like, just please let me know, because I really do want to bring you the best content that I can, and I also want to grow my channel as much as possible. So please do me a favor, watch that video and just kind of answer those questions, or just even just a couple of them. That'd be a huge help. So that's it for today's video. You guys, please remember that you are beautiful, you are loved, you are amazing, and have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.